Are you ready to transform your iPhone's lock screen into a masterpiece of personalization? iOS 26.2 is here to shake things up, giving you unprecedented control over the liquid glass effect. And this time, it's all about the clock. But here's where it gets exciting. The latest beta update introduces a revamped liquid glass slider that lets you fine-tune the transparency of your lock screen's time display like never before. Let's dive into what this means for your iPhone experience. iOS 26.2 Beta 1 is now live for developers, and it's bringing a fresh wave of customization options to your lock screen. Available at 9to5Mac, https://9to5mac.com/2025-11.4, Apple releases first iOS 26.2. This update builds on Apple's recent efforts to let users make liquid glass truly their own. Remember when iOS 26.1 introduced a settings toggle to tone down liquid glass transparency system-wide? Well, iOS 26.2 takes it a step further by focusing specifically on the lock screen clock. And this is the part most people miss. The new liquid glass slider isn't just a minor tweak. It's a game changer. Whether you prefer a nearly invisible, ultra-transparent look or a bold, opaque style, the choice is now entirely yours. This slider works across all font options, giving you the freedom to experiment with different aesthetics. To access it, simply tap on the clock while editing your wallpaper, and you'll find the slider waiting for you. While it existed in earlier iOS 26 versions, its impact in 26.2 is far more noticeable. Here's a key difference. Unlike the controversial liquid glass settings toggle in iOS 26.1, which limited users to just two options, clear and tinted, the lock screen slider offers a full spectrum of customization. This means you can achieve a level of transparency or opacity that suits your exact preferences. It's a small change, but one that could spark debates among users. Is Apple finally giving us enough control, or is there still room for improvement? One limitation remains. Resizing the clock is still restricted to the default font option. But who knows? A future iOS 26.2 beta might just unlock this feature for all fonts, giving users even more creative freedom. Speaking of creativity, how do you plan to customize your lock screen in iOS 26.2? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. We're curious to see how you'll make it your own. Before you go, don't forget to check out these must-have iPhone accessories to elevate your experience. AirPods Pro 3, Amazon https amazon.to 4pnmv1, MagSafe car mount, Amazon https amazon.to 47enx, hent, AirTag battery case, 2-pack, Amazon https amazon.to 4fi, igns, 100-watt USB-C fast-charging power adapter, Amazon https amazon.to 38pop. Stay updated by adding 9to5Mac, https://google.publications, caaqbggmlofatin, to your Google Newsfeed. And remember, as always, we use income-earning auto-affiliate links, about/affiliate. Final thought. With iOS 26.2, Apple is clearly doubling down on personalization. But is this enough? Or should they push the boundaries even further? Share your take below. Let's spark a conversation.